In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on WhatsApp. So enabling dark mode on WhatsApp is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is obviously open up your WhatsApp. Once you open it up, you'll be on the home page here where all your chats are. And from here, you need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three dots, you can now select the settings tab. Once you click on settings, as you can see, you have a few options here, and the one we need in today's video will be the chats option. Once you click on chats, as you can see under display right at the top of the page, there is an option now for theme. At the moment I have the light theme on, and if I want to change to dark, what I would do is click on the tab, and then you will get these options here. So you can have the system default, and then that will be the light theme or the dark theme depending on your mobile. Or you can click on the light or dark theme. So if I click on dark and then click on OK, as you can see, it will then change the theme to dark. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.